From the makers of Hardaddy, this is your shirt in black embroidery going down the sides, Cuban style shirt. Check online for further details about the color and designs you are after. This is black, 90% polyester, 10% spandex. Black easy buttons that simply button up all the way to the top. If you are looking for a shirt that is wrinkle-free, that needs to be ironed for the first time, not the collar. At the beach, hanging out, wherever you are looking for dress wear to look your best. This is from Hardaddy. They make a number of makes and sizes for your needs. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are after for those summer days, light shirts, button-down shirts, and many designs. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after. Very nicely stitched, short collar, has label on the back and on the side, and the plastic buttons that go down. The embroidery in design.